Hi everybody, good morning and welcome. Today I will discuss multiplication and division on integer. Okay, in my last class I have discussed regarding addition and subtraction of integers. Today I will discuss multiplication and division of integers. Now follow the rules. When you multiply two integers, rule number 1, multiplication का rule of multiplication of two integers of same sign, you will have a product is a positive integer. When you multiply two integers of same sign, product will be a positive integer. For example, plus 4 is a positive integer, plus 5 is a positive integer, you will get plus 20. Minus 4 into minus 5, both are same integer of same sign, you will get a positive integer. So multiplication of two integer of same sign, plus plus or minus minus, you will get a positive integer. When multiplication of two integers of opposite sign, if you multiply two integers of opposite sign, you will get product will be a negative integer. Product is a negative integer. Follow the rule. So example, plus 4 into minus 5, plus 4 into minus 5 मतलब positive integer multiplied by a negative integer, you will get a negative integer. Minus 6 into plus 7, negative integer multiplied by a positive integer, you will get a negative integer, minus 42. Okay, so in case of multiplication there are two rules, very simple rule, two simple rule. One क्या है, two integers of same sign, जब same sign रहेगा क्या होगा, you will get a positive integer. Two integer of opposite sign, एक plus एक minus, you will get a negative integer. Now in case of division, rule of division is same as multiplication. Division of two integers, division of one integers by an integer of same sign, दोनों इंटीजर का सेम साइन रहेगा तो plus 20 divided by plus 4, you will get a quotient is a positive integer, and minus 20 divided by minus 5 सेम साइन है दोनों का, you will get a positive integer plus 4. In case of division of integers by a opposite sign, integer by an integer of opposite sign, तो quotient is a negative integer. When you divide plus 30 by minus 3, a positive integer divided by a negative integer, you will have minus 10, a negative quotient. When you divide minus 25 by a positive integer plus 5, you will have a negative integer. So both the rule are same for multiplication and division. Hence rule of sign of multiplication and division, plus into plus star plus, मतलब कि plus into plus positive integer multiply by positive integer, or positive integer divide by positive integer, you will get a positive integer. Same as negative integer multiplied by negative integer, or negative integer multiplied by negative divide by negative integer, you will get a positive integer. So plus plus plus, minus minus, plus plus minus, when positive integer multiplied by negative integer, you will get a negative integer, and negative integer multiplied by positive integer is a negative integer. Now rule of simplification. Rule of simplification, you know, you have learned in your earlier class, BODMAS. Rule of simplification is BODMAS. BODMAS means Botmas means Botmas. But you don't do Badmaisi with Badmas. I am telling you. Because जो बदमाश होता है ना, उससे थोड़ा समझ बूझ के चलना चाहिए, उसको साथ कोई बदमाशी नहीं, ठीक है. तो when you simplify, you have to follow properly the rule of Badmas. Badmas, B for bracket, you know, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Simple rule. But here I have a rectangle DMAS. क्यों? I have told you later. I have tell you later. First, B for bracket. How many type of bracket are there? There are four types of bracket. There are four types of bracket. Number one, line bracket. First. So when you simplify, first you have to perform or you have to work on line bracket. Next, fast or round bracket. Next, second or curly bracket, and last, third or rectangular or square bracket. This. Okay. Now, point to be noted: when you simplify within a bracket, you have to follow the DMAS rule. That means when you simplify, just like 12 divided by 3 into 2 plus 4 within a bracket. First, you have to do division, next multiplication, next addition, next subtraction. So when you simplify within a bracket, ध्यान में रखिए, आप जब सिंप्लीफाई करिएगा विद इन ए ब्रैकेट के अंदर सिंप्लीफाई करिएगा, तब क्या करोगे, ये रूल फॉलो करोगे, DMAS. पहले डिवीजन का काम करोगे, उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन, उसके बाद एडिशन, उसके बाद सब्सट्रैक्शन. इसके साथ कोई बदमाशी करोगे तो आपका सम रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके. तो पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, व्हेन सिंप्लीफाई विद इन ब्रैकेट, you have to follow DMAS. Okay. Now I will start exercise 1D. Sum number 1, find the following product. Normal, this is very easy. Minus 13 into minus 15. Multiplication of two integers of same sign. So minus minus plus. 13 into 15 equal to 195. Next, sum number 6, part 1, part 6, minus 125 into minus 36. Minus 125 minus minus plus, as both are same sign as per rule. 125 into 36, 4500. देख लीजिए. Next, minus 225 into 40. Just a simple multiplication. Rule क्या है? Positive integer, here is negative integer, plus minus minus. 225 into 40 equal to 9000. Sorry, 9000. ठीक है. Next, sum number 3. Find the following. Find the following. Minus 25 into plus 40 into 0. Any number, any integer or any number multiplied by 0 equal to 0. ध्यान में रहे. Next, minus 7 into minus 9 into plus 13 into minus 25 into 16 into plus 8. So minus 7 into minus 9 equal to plus 63. Minus minus plus. Now minus 25 into plus 8 equal to 200. 63 into minus 200 minus plus minus into 13 into 16. हमने क्या किया, इसको एक रीअरेंज कर लिया. ओके. you can do it. So minus 63 into minus 25 into minus 8, minus 25 into minus 8 means minus 200 into 13 into 16, 63 into minus 200, 63 into minus 200, 63 into 2 equal to 126, minus, this is minus, yes, this minus 12600, 63 into minus 200 equal to minus 12600, क्योंकि 2 into 3 equal to 6, 2 into 6 equal to 12, 1 to 6 next 2 0 इसका बाहर में पीछे में चला जाएगा, into 13 into 16 into 13 into 16, 1 minus 12600 into 13 equal to 0 0, 13 into 6 78, 8 carry 7, 13 into 2 that means 26, 26 plus 7 33 carry 3, 13 into 1 13 plus 3 carry 6 16, तो ये आ गया 163800 into 16 into 16, 163800 into 16, 1638 into 16 मतलब कि 26208, 26208 नेक्स्ट 20 और आ जाएगा, ठीक है. दिस इज द आंसर, माइनस, ऑब्वियसली माइनस, दिस इज द आंसर. ओके, नाउ simplification. Normally there are 8 simplification, all are easy, very easy simplification. I am doing sum number 8, sum number, sorry, yes, 8, sum number 8, this is sum number 8. 121 divided by 47 minus 15 within second bracket, 15 minus 3 line bar into 7 minus 4. Okay, as per rule I have to do first work of line bar. So 121 divided by third bracket 47, 15 minus 3 equal to 12 and first bracket का 7 minus 4 equal to 3. तो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट एंड लाइन बार का हो गया. नेक्स्ट 12 इंटू 3 36, सेकेंड ब्रैकेट का काम हो गया. नेक्स्ट 121 डिवाइडेड बाई 47 माइनस 36, 47 माइनस 36 इक्वल टू 11, 121 divided by 11 equal to 11. 11 is the answer. Okay, I am giving you photocopy of these 2 pages. All sums you have to do as homework. Okay, all sums, they are very silly and simple sum. Okay.